Alright, I know I already kind of typed everything out for you guys to kind of understand and get an idea, but I wanted to show it to you in action. And I'm really happy with this, that we can go from a TIG welding to MIG welding pretty easily, and you'll see that here in a minute. You can see it's moving very slow. This plate is designed to, these big holes, obviously, as you're familiar with, are the same spacing and things like that for our weld tables and the Certiflat line, so you can mount directly to it. If you need also a 6-inch chuck, 3-jaw chuck, you could put on here. I'm just going to fast forward it quick. And as you can see, it's moving at a good pace for getting a good TIG weld in there with the drills I explained earlier. Here's a quick video of our wire feed or MIG, where obviously you can see we're moving quite a bit faster. Really a nice speed, a feed rate for this thing. We have different sizes or different angles. You can go, I think it's 15 degree increments, and from horizontal to vertical. Yeah, so I think it's pretty badass. And yes, I am aware I used a zip tie here. That will not be a part of the option. My prototypes weren't cut yet, so that'll be to come. Thanks, guys.